Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your tracking fasting app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on me down here. When you just click here on me, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click on notifications. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to halfway through. Just click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us. That's mean here half through notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.